How to fix stretched resolution in OBS Studio. So if you're trying to record your screen and the display resolution is either stretched or you're seeing black bars on the display, then I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and fix this issue. So first thing is, if you go and open up OBS Studio like this, you'll be able to see this preview window. So basically everything in this window here is what's going to be screen recorded. So firstly is, if you see black borders around your screen when you're trying to record, the first thing you can try doing is right-clicking on the display like this. You can then select transform and you can press fit to screen. If it's still not working or it's still stretched, you can also right-click, click on transform, and you can try stretch to screen instead. Now, if it's still not working, you'll need to go and click on settings at the bottom of the page and click on video from the left-hand side. Now for the base canvas resolution, set this to 1920 by 1080. And also make sure the output scale resolution is set to 1920 by 1080. You could then decide your FPS and press apply and OK. Now once again, try recording the screen and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, come back over to settings. You can then click on video, and this time next to base canvas resolution, try setting this to 1920 by 1200 and setting the output scale resolution to 1920 by 1080. Now for the downscale filter, set this to bicubic sharpen scaling 16 samples. You could then go and press apply and OK. Now try recording your screen one final time and you should be able to record without the screen now being stretched.